Okay, so this is just an add-on from the last video. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of word problems because we're going to be working with these types of situations on Friday. Okay, so basically we have 2 points here in each of these examples. What we're going to do is we're going to use those 2 points in each example in order to create an equation. Now, we have the cost of 25 yards of carpet is $650. So my first coordinate is 25 and 650. Now, the cost for 40 yards of installed carpet is $950. So my first point is 40, my second point is 40 and $950. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the cost of the installed carpet, okay? So, I could create a table if I want to, x values and y values, and then change in y and change in x, okay? So my change in y is going to be 950 minus 650. So that's going to give me plus 300. Now my change in x is going to be 40 minus 25. So 40 minus 25 is 15. So adding 15. Okay, so then we have 300 as my change in y, 15 as my change in x. 300 divided by 15 is going to give me 20. Okay, so y equals 20x plus b. Now let's just go ahead and plug in. We have 20 times 25 plus b is going to give me 650. So 25 times 20 is going to give me 500. So we have 500 plus a number gives me 650. If I minus 500 on each side, minus 500 on each side, we're going to get b is equal to 150. So what is my equation? Y equals 20x plus 150. So as you can see, it's not really complicated. It's just first figuring out that, hey, I have 2 points and I have to use those 2 points in order to get my equation. Now if I plug in 40 times 20 is going to give me 800. 800 plus 150 will give me 950, so my equation is correct. Okay, let's try it here, but with y2 minus y1 and then x2 minus x1. So my first coordinate is 59, 76. My second coordinate is 65, 100. These are my x values, these are my y values. Alright, so we got 100 minus 76 over 65 minus 59. So 100 minus 76 is going to give me 24. And 65 minus 59 is going to give me 6. So 24 over 6 is going to give me 4. My slope is 4. Y equals 4x plus b. Now let me just go ahead and plug in. I'm going to have 76 as my y value. 4 times 59 is my x value plus b. 59 multiplied by 4 is going to give me 236. So 76 equals 236 plus b. Minus 236 and minus 236 will give me my b value. So 76 minus 236 is going to give me negative 160. So b is equal to negative 160. My equation is y equals 4x minus 160. Now, let's just see if this works. So 59 times 4 is going to give me 236. If we go ahead and subtract 160, we're going to get 76. So that definitely works. Alright, now let's go ahead and try this last example. So we have the point 0, 32 and then 100, 212. So we got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 212 minus 32 is going to give me 180. Alright, that's going to be over 100. We go ahead and simplify this. So we got 18 divided by 10 is going to give me a value of 1.8. Okay, so now that I have a value of 1.8, that is my slope. So now we have y equals 1.8x plus b. Right, now at this point all we have to do is plug in. So my y value is 32, my x, we have 1.8, my x value is 0, plus b. So we have 32 is equal to b, because of course 1.8 times 0 is going to give me 0. Now finally, y equals 1.8x plus b, plus 32 will be my final equation. So as you can see, it's the same as just finding the equation from 2 points. It's just that this time you actually have to go through and read the word problem. All right.